This is windowpartscenter.com, and today we're doing a parts ID on a sliding patio door handle that a customer sent in pictures of. So this handle set comes in two styles. The first one is the S3006, which is the center latch version shown here. And then it comes in the part number 522, which is the offset latch version, where the latch is lower on the door handle and not centered. So in the customer's picture, their latch is centered, so they have the S3006 version. And also in their pictures, theirs had a keyed lock on the exterior, so theirs is the keyed version, shown here, that comes with two keys. So both come in three styles. There is the non-keyed, shown here, and then there's the keyed, and then the dummy. So the difference is non-keyed handle set means you can lock and unlock your door from the inside with the lock latch, but you cannot lock the door or unlock it from the exterior. A keyed handle set means you can lock and unlock your door from the inside with the lock latch, and you can unlock and lock your door from the outside using keys. A dummy handle set has no function. They are used on 4-wide sliding patio doors on the secondary door when there's two operating panels. So what that means, on a standard 2-wide panel like this, you either use the keyed or non-keyed version because only one panel slides. But on a 4-wide sliding patio door, those two center panels slide, one to the left and one to the right. So one would get a keyed or non-keyed, and then the secondary panel would have the dummy. Also, below the item are accessory items like the mortise lock box. These are common ones that we know of, have been used with both handle sets, but it all depends on your door manufacturer, so you need to remove the mortise lock box to see which one you have.